So I was on my desktop and thinking about to do something grateful, something like something valuable. So I just searched about future of the world, and just I got some kind of motivation like the future involved accelerating technological transformation by 1350. Apart from this, what I am thinking now is that the world is advancing too much, so we have to go further more into it. We have to know about AI tools. So I'm just here to teach you some AI tools that I started to learn and learn a lot of it. So I'm just sharing you my knowledge. Let me share you my website. Using that tools, I have created this website called aniptr.web.app. Okay, only using the tools like anti-gravity, and I will teach you. See, you can see what kind of website I've made it. You can go and check on the website nptr.web.app. But instead of showing, demonstrating this, all of this, what I am here for you is that teaching you some kind of tools like Google AI Studio and anti-gravity. Let's go with anti-gravity. So on the you can just search anti-gravity, and from this slide you can download the Google anti-gravity. This is a very good tool developed by the Google, very good into the vibe coding. It's very good, to be honest, highly rated. On the Reddit, you can go, you can see like they have already said it's a very good tool. Actually, I feel it better than the Google AI Studio. I'm sorry for AI Studio user, but yeah, anti-gravity is far better than AI Studio, because like when you go see this, all the codes this anti-gravity has all done this code. Like for myself, I only know a bit of code, but see how much he developed. So it's nothing, just it will open the terminal. You have to log in from here, like it's my Arion profile. You have to log in from here. After login, it will get your terminal. Okay, you can go and like you can create a new conversation, or you can go to the past conversation. Like I was fixing the articles and visibility, you can just go there and like it's loading. You can see how much I have done. Like here, I got it. So like this only. It just take a bit of time because it's not that fast. Like Cloud Opus choose this. Obviously, my quota has reached, so I'm here. Like use the Cloud Opus. It's a very good. Like highly rated AI model. It will help you to develop a lot of thing. But you can also use Google AI Gemini 3.14. You can just type the code like what you want to go, like what you want to get new feature, what you want to add the new feature, and you can go with this, and just it will done your project. But just make sure that add like do not change this, do not change that. Like just you have to add some keywords like do not change the existing feature, keeping all the things same. We have to add this all details because the AI are like that only. They like sometimes change your code, and this was one of the biggest fault I found in the Google AI Studio, because when you go to Google AI Studio and try to make the website, it removes the previous all the thing that you have made and adds the new other things. So like I faced a lot of difficulty using Google AI Studio. That's why I researched up to the anti-gravity. I searched on the Reddit and got this anti-gravity. And because of this anti-gravity, I built this whole Anipedia website. You can go and check my website Anipedia, link in the description. And also, if you want to create much more website, much like enthusiastic website or much better website, there is my Fiverr link in the description too. You can go there and also can check it out. So this is the second tool, Google AI Studio and anti-gravity. These are the two tools that I'm telling you to use for your future, like to vibe code. Because the more you vibe code, the more you understand the basics of whatever you are doing. For example, full stack development, I understand to learn the React, the Node, JavaScript, and all using this. But like you already know that in the future, you can see the world is getting enhanced by technological transformation. So like using this vibe code and AI Studio is much better than doing existing typing, because like you already know in the future there is all the maximum of the effort will be replaced by the AI. So like learning AI tools is very important. Okay, so like ChatGPT is one of the best tool you can go. Like I don't know how to record the studio. I just went to a ChatGPT and searched how to record. He gave me all this thing, and now I'm recording this video. You can go to new chat, you can go to plus icon, you can take these models like more model, web search, deep search, thinking, whatever. Like you can go, hi ChatGPT, that will really tell me about yourself, your capability. You can go with this. Okay, so if you just send this kind of message, he will think and this I'm a chat you 5 minutes can help you writing code setting. Okay, so just I'm giving you a simple experience that don't go with the coding stuff with the ChatGPT or developing website using ChatGPT. It's same like the Google AI Studio. It replaces the much of the code and give you the new code. Again, you say to get my back old code, then again it will give a new code. So just I'm telling you with my experience, use the anti-gravity for making the website. It's the best, and of course use the cloud model. If you are getting hit by the rate limit, then you can on the comments you can give the comments like I'm getting hit by the rate limits. Then I will make another video to how to solve these kinds of rate limit and help you to much and much better. So like I teach you the three things on the today. So first it is anti-gravity, second is we'll go with Google AI Studio, and I'll go with ChatGPT, and I already teach you what are the flaws in these of tools. Coming with anti-gravity, one more thing I have to tell you is that it's not 100 perfectly fine because it sometimes make mistake. You have to understand this website, these vibe coders software make some mistakes, but anti-gravity makes the least mistake because if you are good with like your words, with your sentence, with your logic, then it will make a very less mistake and then compared to the other website. So using anti-gravity, I suggest you to use anti-gravity, make more website, make more thing. And if you want to learn more, you can comment me on the Fiverr account, message me now, and I can come and address you more and more things. You comment and down below and tell me like what are the problems you are facing using these kinds of website, and I will try to help you into that problem. So that's for all now. I will make more and more videos into AI and in the future development. So just stay with me and learn more and more.